Shoot him in the shoulder.
How's it, guys? Welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today's a bit of a highlight episode on a hunt that I did last year with York Mare of Dalton and York Safaris in Mahenya for a big elephant bull. Packed with action, a few close calls here and there, and really entertaining to watch. And also, we're really excited to announce that we've been working really hard on developing a really nice hunting knife for you guys called the Dugger Boy, which is the first edition of our Dangerous 6. We're releasing a limited batch tomorrow on our website, 15th of February. So don't miss out on that, guys. And also don't forget our free hunt giveaway for 2 buffalo that we're doing in partnership with Double Rifle Society, which are our new partners that we're really excited to join. The Double Rifle Society are a group of guys dedicated to the preservation of traditional hunting firearms, double rifles, bolt action rifles, single shot rifles. It's a growing community and family of outdoor enthusiasts. You can go check out their Facebook, their Instagram and their website. Anyways, guys, enjoy the rest of the video.
My tailgate. And that was each day.
Way too early for that, man. Way too early for that.
Yeah, I see right.
We're talking about the elephant which you see just after some minutes. I was trying to take one of our guys at the back. It was not good for us. This is early morning.
But we had a bit of excitement this morning. We saw an old elephant cow that decided to give us a bit of a rev, and unfortunately, or luckily, we got away, but the roads were not great. We hit a big hole and she caught up with us and she put her tusk on my tailgate and bent it up. Tried to grab one of the guys out the back, but everyone's safe. We got away. It's all good.
The reminder that this is wild Africa.
Shit gets real quickly.
Yeah. 5 o'clock in the morning.
Judging them and looking through lots of elephant to find the bull you want. Obviously it doesn't always go on the track. You find a bull with a giant track and you've got no ivory, which happens to us all. But yeah, it's a special animal to hunt. Yeah, so these bulls looks like they're coming drinking the clean water because they don't like to drink muddy water.
Yeah.
They like clean, cold water. So yeah, we'll leave teams that side and then we'll come in the evening and look for somewhere to check the wind. Because they're obviously coming in and then they're going back into this. And then this island here, it is thick.
Yeah.
And they like to just go and stand in there during the day.
Heat.
Yeah, we went in there once because they weren't coming out until dark, and we went in and come from the back side because the wind was going that way, like it is now. And we went in and I promise you, we got in amongst like 12 bulls and the closest was like 6 yards.
Oh my God.
That's how thick, and we were like, back up, slowly, slowly, slowly. And then you just heard around us, right in the middle. We have a big group of bulls coming down here on an area called Powden, which is on the Mozambique border. And it looks like there's between 10 to 20 of them. So we'll come back this evening and find a spot to walk in the river and hopefully catch them coming down to where they're feeding along this thick stuff in the riverbed. 6 on one. Just gonna get some water and then we're gonna walk down here and find a spot to look up and down and listen. And then Sunny Boy is gonna wait here and he'll watch all this side. and then the other guys are up top with the radio.
The young guy was walking past for us, and we asked him if you see elephant, you can come and call us. Now he was running from the way which was going now. I don't know what the story is going to be. Maybe saw some people.
They're drinking water, but on the edge you can see their trunks. Stand still. Come this side. Let's move back. They want to come out. So. Let's go stand here. So we can get a look at all of them. That second one is nice. You see the one walking now? Nice elephant. Yeah. It's okay, I must shoot it. Let's go back out. I'm scared about the wind. Let's keep low. Let's just back up some more. They want to come here, so we just want them to come. Just back up. Yeah, let's go. Let's get up on the bank. Yeah. See how long that other one is as well. There's some nice elephant here. See, that one has got very long, but it's quite thin. That one, the small one, yeah, he's long, but he's quite thin at the end. Pretty, but not. See, that one's also long, but he's thin. Yeah. Yeah. Mahenya, baby. Unreal, that. Yeah. Well, let's start going, just so we don't keep spooking them. Hey, yeah. No, but I've always said elephant hunting is very special. It's something that you should feel something a lot more than others.
So Mahenya is quite a busy place as far as cattle and the people looking after the cattle. Some people aren't used to it, but these elephant and other game are very used to it. They've been doing this with the people from here, the Shangaan people, for years, and yeah, it doesn't affect the movement really. The bulls come across and all the elephant come across from the national park this time of the year, especially because there's a tree here, the albida tree, which is the apple ring, and it drops pods, which is high in protein, which is what they're coming for. As this time of the year in the park, the food is very, very limited. Good shots. Reload, come. Hit him again. Okay, wait. If you can stand up, hit him. Beautiful blue bull. Nice old eland bull. I can knock a bull. Okay, well, we're on day 7, morning of day 7. Eh?
Yep, morning day 7.
And we've been turning these beautiful old boys down every day. And yesterday we had quite a bit of rain and the elephant movement literally went dry. And today it's been pretty quiet. We saw a couple of bulls this morning we tried to get onto, but they went out. And with how much movement there was, today was the perfect day to take a good eland bull, and we got a beautiful bull. Hike put in an excellent shot, and you can't ask for anything better. Well done.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. Super excited.
Well done, team.
Thank you, everyone.
Obviously, Vaughan and I are really keen to bring this to market. Not just because we want to sell knives, but really we want to give people a chance and a taste of Zimbabwe, a taste of Africa. You know, growing up in the bush, being able to experience it here all of our lives, we've been privileged. Not many people have that privilege. But now you can have maybe just a little bit of that. Obviously this knife is going to be it's been entirely designed and made here in Zimbabwe, and we're using Zimbabwean materials, Zimbabwean woods, and it's made with that in mind as well. It's of course also made for hunters, by hunters, and with that I know Vaughan is super excited, we're super excited that there is the opportunity of course to win a buff hunt. But basically you get the once in a lifetime opportunity to hunt buff in Zimbabwe, which is probably one of the greatest hunting experiences anywhere in the world.
Well done, brother. Check all the fighting, eh?
Yeah.
Wanna have a big ronda.
40.
What is
Thank you. Thank you, thank you.
Obviously we'd been putting off shooting buffalo and eland and kudu and all of that because we didn't want to make noise in the area with the elephant. But that day, the last 2 days, there were no elephant in the area, so we wouldn't be doing any noise or disturbance. So it was a good thing to boost the morale of the team. This afternoon we are going back to where we saw the 30 plus bulls yesterday. Hopefully they come in earlier. Maziso yatoenda. A martial eagle tried to catch this guy. He's taken his eye out. Took his eye, eh? Yeah. Big rock monitor. You ever seen a cameraman run? You don't want to get bitten by these guys. Look at the teeth. Bit the eagle clawed him on his back.
Oh wow.
See how he's taking his eye.
Please hurry up. Where's the one? No, he's still on the far right, but that's bigger. The far one. That other one's coming here. Let's be patient. That's a big elephant, even ask how much.
We eventually had the bulls come back, and we'd spotted a bull that we'd seen a few days before, which was a nice bull. And then further out on the bank above them, we saw this bull with long, beautiful 4-foot ivory sticking out, just a stunning elephant. And we made the decision that if he came across, that would be the bull we would take.
Inquiries, we've still got time. They need to get onto the island and then we'll go here. We just need to check the wind when we're in the trees. Yeah. Because it's more too much. Oh, don't be a you. Walk. Big bull time. Let's go wait on the pod. Shoulder.
He's down. Huh? Wait, he's down. Hey, Ondo. Yeah. Come with me. Stay close. You loaded, eh? Come this way. Okay, kneel down. Come here. Kneel down in the chest, in the middle. One more. Woo! Woo! Hey, I know it's okay. Yes. Hell yeah. Well done, brother. Thank you. Well done, guys. Hey, Hondo. From that way. Son. Huh? That is beautiful ivory. Huh?
I started getting nervous, thinking, is he going to cross in time? Are we going to have daylight? And then that's when York dropped the bomb. No, we're not going after that one. There's even a bigger one. And I put my binoculars on that thing, and he was the last elephant, the only one that had not crossed, and he was all the way still. He was still on land. And I was telling him, no, we didn't get that big one. Let's just get the one we've been looking after. And he definitely convinced me to be patient. I have a problem with patience. To be patient, and sure enough, we got it done.
We hit it lucky. We had a beautiful bull that came out. We had seen several others, but the weather had been playing up on us a little bit. So we decided to take the bull that we did take. Beautiful long ivory, stunning elephant.
So as you guys can see, we're busy cutting the elephant up, and there's a big crowd busy building. And the tension is building. This is what hunting with the community looks like. And you can see the community benefiting from what we do.
Yes, sir.